Hello, let's talk about crop logging, where I assign two banana. To start with, let's introduce banana. Banana is a fruit of a plant of the genus Musa in the family of Musaceae. Bananas are vigorously growing monocotyledonous herbaceous plant, and it is also recognized by its large, fleshy, upright stalk topped with smooth, arching leaves. Banana belongs to domain Eucaryota and belongs to kingdom Plantae, and its phylum Spermatophylla and its subphylum is Angiospermae, and belongs to class Monocotyledonae and belongs to family Musaceae, and also its genus is Musa. Next, there are several types or varieties of banana, from Lakatan, Latundan, Saba, Senyorita, Cavendish, Lagkitan, Bulkan, Morado, Inabanico, Bungulan, Tindok, and Utungan. That's all the different varieties of banana. Now, let's discuss its physical and chemical log of banana. Banana physical log. Let's talk about the plant height of banana. Banana plants varies according on variety and growing conditions. The majority are roughly 5 meters or 16 feet tall, ranging from 3 meters or 10 feet for dwarf Cavendish to 7 meter or 23 feet. The leaves are spirally arranged that can reach at a length of 2.5 meters or 8.9 feet and a width of 60 centimeter or 2.0 feet. Plant height of banana. Next, let's talk about the plant weight of banana. Before hand pruning, the average bunch weight is 22 to 35 kg with 120 to 150 finger per bunch. After hand pruning, 68 to 50 huge finger with a bunch. Weight of 20 to 30 kg can be picked. When the density of the stem increases, the girth of the stem decreases. Although tallest plants were generated with closer spacing of 1.2 by 1.2 meters, plant density had no effect on the girth of banana. The plant height was greatly raised and girth was lowered in the Puvan cultivar, when spacing was reduced from 2.1 by 2.2 meter to 1.5 by 1.8 meter. This is the plant height and girth. Banana leaves are large, wide, elongated, and slightly rounded, averaging to 2 meters in length, a half of a meter in width. A leaf number of a banana tree having 8 to 12 leaves per tree. Plant canopy and light intersection. Unlike other fruit, bananas' vegetative blooming are not seasonal and are influenced by mostly time of planting, the type and size of planting materials, and the current temperature, the density of the plants, and how they are intercepted, the energy conversion efficiency of reduced light intensity at ground level with increasing size was highest in 1.2 by 1.2 meters spacing and lowest in 2.1 by 2.1 meters spacing. Based on this description, its growth rate is fast, its tree shape is upright, Canopy symmetry irregular, canopy density is open, canopy texture is coarse, and height at maturity is 3 to 5 meters, and spread at maturity 3 to 5 meters. Time to ultimate height is 1 to 2 years. To sum it up, the important detail of banana from its foliage. First is its leaf arrangement. The arrangement of the leaves on a stem is known as phyllotaxy. Leaves can be classified as either alternate, spiral, opposite, or whorled. In an opposite leaf arrangement, two leaves connect at a node. In a whorled arrangement, three or more leaves connect at a node. And in the banana, the arrangement of its leaf is spiral. And next is leaf venation. Leaf venation is the pattern of veins in the blade of a leaf. The veins consist of vascular tissues which are important for the transport of food and water. Leaf veins connect the blade to the petiole and lead from the petiole to the stem. And in banana, the leaf venation is pinnate. Pinnate means a leaf resembling a feather, having the leaflets on each side of a common axis. And next is leaf persistence, or having a foliage that persists and remains green throughout the year, and in banana is evergreen. And next is leaf type, simple, and leaf shape is oblong. And next is its leaf margins. The margin is the edge of the leaf, lamina lying between the apex and the base. And the leaf margins in banana is undulate. And its leaf texture is smooth. Leaf scent is no fragrance. And the color of the leaves in growing season is green, and also in the color of changing season, green also. Next, let's move on to its flower of banana. In its flower sexuality, the banana is monoecious bisexual. It means each flower has female and male organs, and both of which are functional. And next is its flower scent and no fragrance. And next is flower color. The color is orange and purple. And the season is spring. Also, let's talk about its fruit. Its fruit type is berry. The fruit color is yellow when it's ripe and green when it's unripe. And let's move on to its horticultural management in its tolerance. In frost tolerance means no. But there are several species of banana beside the cold hardy banana that can tolerate cold weather, like the Chinese yellow banana and Sikkim banana. However, the cold hardy banana is the hardiest banana and can withstand temperature as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. And next is heat tolerant. Heat tolerant, yes. Bananas can grow in warm regions of the world for a reason. But they can tolerate brief exposure of upper 20 degree Fahrenheit and will survive at the root down into the low 20s. And its drought tolerant is no, and the soil tolerance is poor. There are different requirements in banana plantation. First is the soil requirement, which require clay, loam, and sand soil. And in soil pH requirement is acidic and neutral. And its water requirement is high, and its light requirement is full. Now, let's talk about the chemical lag of banana. Standard procedure in collecting sample. In disease-free areas, sample collection from suspected infected banana plants by Panama disease. A pseudostem piece has been cut. If the pseudostem fragment is severed, necrotic vascular threads should be visible. Fragments of damaged tissue contained within a hermetically sealed flask or wrap. Pathogen-caused necrosis is dissected vascular threads of pseudostem. Plant was sampled with the fragment repositioned in its original location and covered with adhesive tape to prevent tissue exudate exposure to the environment. This is how to collect the sample of banana. Let's talk about the critical nutrient of banana. To start with, in the nitrogen. Plant growth is fueled by nitrogen. Nitrogen is necessary for the production of chlorophyll, which produces the carbohydrates needed for the plant growth and development. It is also important for yield and for fruit quality. Bananas have a high nitrogen need, and when root health is poor, water availability is limited, or the plants are waterlogged, deficits are common. Next is phosphorus. Although bananas have a low phosphorus requirement, it is nonetheless a vital nutrient. The banana plant rapidly absorbs phosphorus during the first 5 months after planting. In the top few centimeters of soil, phosphorus bonds with other minerals and becomes insoluble, rendering it unavailable to plant or quickly lost through erosion. Next is potassium. Potassium is the most common important element in banana production and has several importance and rules. It is required for cell division and expansion during all growth of banana, but particularly during the development. Cell division and expansion are key processes to determine the fruit size. Next to potassium is calcium. Calcium in plants is essential for good strength and structure, and in banana production. And also it plays an important role in cell division and growth in leaves of banana, fruits, and root and tips. Strengthens also plant cell walls, helping to protect against heat, stress, and diseases. Next is magnesium. Magnesium is the central component in chlorophyll, the molecule that converts sunlight into carbohydrates in plants. It is the most common deficiency after nitrogen and potassium in subtropical banana plantation. Magnesium regulates the uptake of the other nutrients, and also it plays a role in drought and disease resistance. Large application of potassium reduce the amount of magnesium available to the plant and can induce magnesium deficiency. Magnesium deficiency usually occur in old plantation, light texture. Next is boron. Boron has several important roles in plant nutrition. Boron are also required for all new cell growth and division of a banana production, as it affects plant hormone and carbohydrate movement. Next to boron is sulfur. Sulfur also has several important roles in banana nutrition. It is used in amino acid, proteins, and oils. And also, it is necessary for chlorophyll formation of banana. And lastly, zinc. Zinc also is the most common important trace element in banana production and the most reported micronutrients deficiency in banana plantation. And it is also important for leaf expansion and growth. And also, it increases fruit length and diameter. These are the critical nutrient structure of a banana where each nutrient have its part. First is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is required in the plant crop between 3 to 9 months after planting. Phosphorus is relatively lost during flowering and fruiting and redistributed to the follower or sucker. The symptoms to appear are stunted growth with poor root development, chlorosis, and breaking of leaf petioles. Next is nitrogen. Nitrogen is the chief promoter of growth and also it induces vegetative growth of pseudostem and leaves. And next to nitrogen is sulfur. Sulfur locate and start on the younger leaves. Next is calcium. Calcium, where this is the most significant secondary macronutrients. And also, there are other nutrients were in the banana. It is the potassium, magnesium, boron, and zinc. Did you know that there is a chemical and natural ripen of banana? In the picture, the chemically ripened banana its stalk is color green and have a spotless yellow skin. And the naturally ripened banana is black stalk and having a brown spot in its skin. As more as ethylene builds up in the banana, the riper it will become. Bananas will at times have different marks caused by natural events or as they continue to ripen. But yet, there is no difference related to how they have been ripened. It is said that even there are different methods on how to ripen the banana, yet they are tastedly the same as smooth and sweet and also delicious. And next, see the different part in a fruit of banana on how and what type of ripen is. First is the underripe, where we can guess that this is an underripe because of its color that is green. This underripe is a source of prebiotic. Prebiotic is a non-digestible food ingredient that promotes the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the intestines and have a highest resistance in starch that it is processed and formed in different dessert or snack. Next is barely ripe, where it is about to ripe and also it is taste sweet and it is higher in antioxidant level. Antioxidant are substances that may protect your cells against free radicals that is good to your body. Next is ripe, that is purely eaten as a whole because of its level of smoothness and sweetness. Next is very ripe, where it is super sweet and have a greatest vitamins and mineral loss. And lastly, highest antioxidant level or in an overripe banana part. Did you know that the best bananas for smoothies are the overripe variety? It is because this will give it the sweetest and creamiest taste without any bitterness. Stress tip that the online learners should have it that eating bananas is a natural cure to reduce the effects of stress and anxiety. Banana all day keeps the stomach healthy. What are you waiting for? Let's eat banana. Thank you for watching. God bless and good health. This is Methyl Joy Buscar from BSA 3K. Thank you.